Alright, we're doing a homemade McGriddle in 2 minutes here. Well, the instructions. Got this beautiful pretzel bun. We're going to oil her up. I use olive oil. You could use butter, but this is rich enough. Into the oven, 400 degrees, 10 minutes. Make a sausage patty, just Jimmy Dean's. Spicy or regular, doesn't matter. Make a little indentation, make it thin. Throw it in a hot pan. Take 5 to 7 minutes. This is thin, it'll cook fast. Want browning on both sides. That looks done to me. What about you? You think so? I think so. Pull it out. Egg goes in. Ooh. Tip the pan, get that yolk in the center. Salt. Bam. Pepper. Bam. Alright, a little bit of water. Cover. You're gonna steam it or baste it. Now, pull out game strong. Don't leave it in too long. You got fried egg. You got your toast. You don't want your egg too hard and you don't want your toast to burn. Onto the cutting board. Assembly time. Bread, or pretzel bun in this case, sausage, or meat, cheese, egg, and then on the top bun, you're gonna have your maple syrup. It's a little bit too excited and you'll see. Oh, I overpoured. I actually dabbed a little bit off of it, but you know. Look at that. Doesn't that look good though? Enjoy.